Furniture for small spaces has a habit of promising everything and delivering very little. Too soft, too flimsy, too clever for its own good. The HOMFINE folding sofa bed doesn't try to impress with tricks. It quietly focuses on one thing that actually matters: being useful again and again in real life. This piece sits in that gray area between a chair, a sofa, and a mattress, and that's exactly where it works best. Folded flat, it becomes a twin-size floor mattress that feels solid and grounded, not like those foam pads that swallow the body and never give it back. Folded once, it turns into a lounge chair. Folded again, it becomes a low-profile sofa that fits against a wall without dominating the room. No assembly, no tools, no frustration. Just unfold it and it's ready. The foam is the real story here. High density and intentionally firm, it offers support that feels deliberate. This isn't the kind of softness that feels good for 10 minutes and then punishes the lower back. It holds its shape, distributes weight evenly, and stays consistent night after night. People with back issues tend to appreciate this kind of firmness, especially in the lower back, where cheaper foam often collapses. For sleeping, it's comfortable enough for short stretches and occasional nights, but it doesn't pretend to replace a traditional mattress. Add a mattress topper, and the comfort level rises quickly. Without one, it's better suited for naps, daybeds, or temporary sleep setups. As a chair, it does the job, with one small caveat. The strong Velcro keeps the shape locked in place, which is great for stability, but it also means positioning matters. Placing it against a wall makes sitting more comfortable and natural. The included pillow adds a bit of support, though it's more of a bonus than a solution. The angle of a folding chair like this can be sharp, so extra cushions help soften the experience for longer sitting sessions. Where this sofa bed really shines is flexibility. It's light enough to move easily from room to room, but still feels sturdy and well-made. During the day, it can be seating for movie nights, football games, or kids building forts on the floor. At night, it turns into a place to lie down next to a child, stretch out after a long day, or handle an unexpected guest without dragging out an air mattress. It folds down compactly and disappears into a closet or corner when not needed, which makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, home offices, or RVs. Durability feels like a priority here. The fabric holds up to daily use, and the foam keeps its structure instead of sagging or denting. The removable, washable cover makes upkeep simple, especially in homes with kids. This isn't a delicate piece that needs constant care. It's meant to be lived on. There are limitations, and they're worth being honest about. As a full-time guest bed for adults, it may fall short unless paired with a thick mattress pad. The firmness that makes it supportive can feel unforgiving over 6 or more hours of sleep. The Velcro, while effective, is very strong and may be difficult for older users to adjust frequently. These aren't flaws so much as trade-offs. The HOMFINE folding sofa bed feels designed for real households, not showroom fantasies. It supports tired backs, adapts to changing needs, and earns its place by being reliable rather than flashy. For anyone needing extra seating, floor lounging, or a flexible sleep solution that doesn't waste space, this is the kind of product that quietly becomes part of daily life and stays there.